Hello guys and welcome back.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Today we continue our journey to the knife sharpening. We're gonna unbox another knife sharpener. If you remember from the last video, we did the mechanic one from Parkside. You will see.
So let's go to the unboxing.
So we have a knife sharpener from Longzon with 4-stage knife sharpening. First impressions, looks like we have a pair of gloves.
Protection gloves. That's an easy way. Sorry about the noise.
I don't know if it is multi-sides. We will find out.
That's what I was checking because they are elastic, but
We will see what it is.
I would not really trust them, but it's better than nothing. But if you have very big hands, I would not think you can wear them. Let's try on this hand.
Let's try to put it on my hand.
This is awkward.
Try to.
I will try to hold the camera and Dave will put the rest of his glove on because as you can see it is a bit.
Look, it's flexible.
It is a bit elastic. What do you think, Dee?
It's better than nothing. Obviously, it's for your fingers.
Yeah. So what do you think? Are they a bit small? Just.
It's okay. If you have a very big hands, I don't know if they do. But I think it managed to do the job for that.
So let's swap again.
So let's see. It says that it has 3 stages of sharpening.
It says 4 stages.
Yeah, but I don't think.
I think one of them is for scissors.
Yeah, it's for scissors. They say 4-in-1 on the box.
Yeah, it does.
So you see 4-in-1, and it says that it has specific heads. So you have one for
scissors.
You have the coarse sharpening, if I say it right, fine sharpening, and precision sharpening. So you have 3 stages of sharpening. We will see.
Yeah, we will see.
They give some instructions, but we will test the knife that we tried to sharpen with a Parkside.
Yeah.
And we will see. So I'm gonna bring a paper and we're gonna do a test before sharpening. And let's do that. Let's test this knife. I don't think we have any results. So it obviously doesn't cut anything.
No, it doesn't.
The instructions from the person that makes this, the factory that makes this, is you go 3 times on each of the sections here, 2, 3, 4. We have a tungsten steel. We have the diamond here, so it will fine sharpen the blade, and we have the ceramic stone that it will make the edges and remove any debris. So let's try this. They say to hold it with your hands and you go only one way. You don't go back and forth, you go only.
So you just put it there and just.
Yep.
Ah, I hate the noise of that.
2 and 3. So let's check. I think it did something.
I can see it has done something because I didn't start it exactly at the end.
So yeah, I can see some minor chips of the blade.
Yeah, and I can see that on the knife too.
So let's go to number 3 and check what it's gonna do.
Yeah, 3 times this one.
3 times on this one.
And 3.
And then we're gonna go to the precise. It looks like way better.
It looks like it's done something, and another 3 times here.
And we go to fine sharpening. Yep.
1, 2, and 3.
And 3. So it looks like it did some job on it. So let's test it. Let's test it.
I'm just...
Yep. So can you see?
Yeah.
So let's see what we did. You remember this one?
Well, it does cut for sure.
It cuts better.
Yeah.
But I'm not satisfied yet. But we will see. I'm gonna do another 6 and we will see now. And let's go to the next one. And then fine on the ceramic. All right.
Let's see. Let's see the paper. Let's see if it...
Yeah, let's see if it cuts. Yep.
Absolutely, yes.
So I'm gonna do a couple of them. We're gonna fast forward. I'm gonna do a couple of them and we will see the result. Okay, I see obvious scars on the blade. It looks like it did went deep enough and make a way better blade. Let's see.
Let's see now.
Let's see how it goes. I know I'm not using the gloves. Use the gloves, guys.
I was supposed to be doing it. I'm wearing the gloves. Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna put the video back and you will see how we started, and I'm gonna show you now. I'm not 100%, it's not amazing, but this knife couldn't cut anything.
No.
So
now it can.
That's a way better result. And I'm telling you what, guys, this Longzon, you can get it from Amazon. We bought it for the purpose of see which is the best of all. If you like, you can get it on the description. It's an affiliate link and you will pay no more than the price of it, but you will help the channel because it's not sponsored, this video.
I will try something else because I was trying before to cut some chicken and I accidentally picked up that knife to do it. What I am actually going to do, take some chicken from the fridge and actually try cutting it now. Obviously I'm going to wash it before. So let's go and do that.
So let's see what Zoe's going to do.
Because I was literally trying to cut these in smaller pieces before and this knife just went like that and did not cut a thing. So let's see.
Yeah, it's a clean cut.
It's a clean cut. I don't need to press it. Let's try again.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't. That spot is always the hardest. I just find it easier like that. So it does cut 100 times better than before because literally I was trying to cut like the knife was like this. This is what the knife did before.
Like a butter
yeah.
like a butter knife. So
I literally went like that and it was like I had it the wrong way round.
Yeah.
Completely. So as you can see, it does cut. And don't comment about the size of the knife and the chicken. That's what I...
Yeah, we wanted to test this. Yeah.
So yes, it's definitely sharper. We could do with a little bit more, but it's definitely so much better than it was before.
So we saw how good it managed to sharp this Longzon 3-stage sharpener. I believe, in my opinion, is again, I'm not gonna say to use it on your most expensive knives. There is other ways which we can investigate together. and make a series of videos and see which is the best. But for now, this one is very good price for what it is. You have 3 states. Obviously managed to do a way better job than the other one, and it's our opinion, of course. You might have a different result in your sharpening experience, but for now the Longzon did an amazing job. Great grip.
Yeah, it does.
You have the gloves. Wear the gloves. I didn't.
Yeah, he didn't wear the gloves because I was supposed to be sharpening the knife.
Yeah.
And somehow Dee was too excited and could not hold himself, so he had to sharpen the knife himself.
So my attempt was at least 20 times on the number 2, then to go to number 3 and to number 4. It removed quite a lot of blade. This is the one. If you like, get it. Help us, help the channel. I'm Mr. D.
I'm Zoe.
And this is another video of amazing products. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us if you need more videos like this. And we are open to get ideas for what would you like to have unboxed before Christmas, because it's Christmas, close to Christmas.
Very close to Christmas.
So you might have some nice ideas that we can show you. So have a great night and see you in the next video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for the support. See ya!